Well, I don't know if you guys remember on the sail up here, this whole track on our gooseneck ripped out of the boom because it was just held in with some 1/4-20 bolts into the front of the mast track. And up here where this bolt goes through, it's starting to elongate the holes because it's just been banging around for 50 years. So we knew it was definitely something we needed to fix. And when we got here, we sent our designs over to a local machine shop and had them fabricate this. This is our new gooseneck. It's made out of 6000 series aluminum, so it should be about the same as our mast. And then this bit right here is a solid chunk of 316 stainless. So it's gonna be super strong by the time we're done. But I have to take this off now and find a way to support this so I can install this. Well, the new gooseneck's all installed and it looks really, really good. It's a lot stronger than our old one was, this one here. It was mounted on this track, I guess, to allow for more adjustment of the boom up and down, which maybe back in the day made sense, but certainly doesn't anymore. But one of the main problems wasn't necessarily the track. It was actually this piece right here that was attached to the boom itself, because these holes in this tiny thin little piece of bronze in there has been elongated. It used to be a 1/2 inch hole, and now like it's just banging around, and the holes are actually elongated. So it was only maybe a few hard jabs away from probably breaking entirely. So that was the main reason we actually fixed it. Ever since we got our boat, actually, we've never really liked this setup, and we actually put a turnbuckle on the bottom of it to keep it from sliding up and down. So that was kind of a temporary fix, but we knew it was always sort of a weak link in our system. And we actually designed a new one last summer back when we were at just catamarans. We just couldn't find someone to build it down in Fort Lauderdale that was affordable. But we found a shop here in Norfolk called Metal Concepts, and basically if you can draw it, they can build it. So they did an awesome job building it for us. And now it is definitely no longer the weakest link in our mast and boom system. If any of you guys are interested, we put the drawings and details of the construction in the vault, so you guys can head over there if you want to see any more details about how it was designed. So that'll be it for this one, and we'll see you guys on Thursday.